guys, so it's currently Sunday evening. We've had a very busy weekend with my family. It's one of my sister's birthdays. I have a lot of sisters, so everyone's come together and we've spent literally the whole weekend together, so we haven't done much filming. So we're just gonna have a chilled evening. The time is just turned 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna cook us something fairly quick tonight for dinner because we're both real tired. And then we've got a couple of things that we want to show you afterwards. So I will show you what we've got for dinner tonight. So if you watched our vlog last week, we showed the recipes that we got from HelloFresh. And tonight we're going to use the last one, which is like a pizza type thing. But it's done on tortilla rather than pizza base. So for this recipe we need mozzarella, tortillas, we need some chorizo. We've then got some tomato puree, some black beans, and then a lime, a spring onion, an avocado, a chilli, and some coriander as well. So I am gonna go and cook this up now. Okay, so I am now with Jez. We are both in our pajamas because I told you it's getting later into the afternoon, evening now. And we are gonna start decorating these tortillas, I don't know what they're called, but they're basically just wraps. And they're like really thin pizzas, so let's give it a go.
So we just put it straight on?
Yep.
Oh, spicy. Can I smell the tomato then? Yeah, just a little too much left. It's actually spicy. It's alright. I think it's spicy though. It's a bit spicy. Let's do extra spicy and a whack on the jalapenos. Oh, they're even spicy chili. Are they? Still got the jalapeno though. Okay. Oh, barbecue sauce. So they are on. Oh, we dropped some already. We did. That's probably not going to be. Have we done the ready cheese and fish? Yeah, there's a little bit left. Cool, you can probably have the rest of these got a bit. Oh yeah, mozzarella. That's nice mozzarella on yours. I'm just about to nasty. Is that it? Oh, you have to focus. I thought I put more of this on. I'm putting this up front. You have to get it for me. Turn on both. Okay, now we're going to add some chorizo.
So first stage is done. So we're going to put them in the oven for a minute, or well, 5 minutes or so, and then we'll move on to the next stage.
So I've got a bit of coriander. Charlotte's not a huge fan of coriander, and if I'm honest, I'm not a massive fan of it. Got the zest of this lemon. Lime, sorry, it's green, I should have known that. And it smells incredible. I like the smell of lime, it's nice.
Yeah, I do.
But the pizzas are out, look how awesome they look. Best one, barbecue. So apparently, we're going to be using these final ingredients to make some kind of salsa. I'm not sure. We've got an avocado over there, so I'm sure that's what that's for.
That's what's next.
The trick with an avocado is to cut it one side, then cut it the other side. Whoop.
Oh, that saved you have to do it.
Yay, tortillas are done, and we've got some like salsa mix that it tells you to make up, which looks pretty awesome. Yeah, put a couple spoonfuls on mine for me.
All I can smell is lime.
Beautiful, that'll do me, perfect. Put that on the side, we can have some more later. So, what do you think of our tortillas?
Haven't finished yet.
Oh, we're not finished yet, sorry, I apologise.
The rest of the spring onions on the top.
And then coriander.
Chili.
Oh, chili. Oh yeah, chili. Put the extra chilies on mine, please. Yeah, get in my belly.
More?
Yeah.
And then just a little bit.
Sprinkling of coriander for me. Perfect. So, I mean, if I'm honest, I'm going to have to give my tortillas a 10 out of 10.
They do look good. They do look very good.
We'll let you know how they taste in a minute. They don't look so bad, you know. They don't look so bad. They look pretty good, I think. Hair's a bit fluffy. I've been in the shower. So yeah, let's go and eat these. And we're actually watching Jurassic Park on TV, which is exciting because I haven't seen number 3 in a while.
Okay, so we are done with our pizza things.
Tortillas.
Yeah, I can tell I've had chili because like the insides of my mouth sting. So yeah, there's one thing we wanted to show you and then one thing we wanted to tell you. So first things first, you probably would have gathered if you watch our channel or if you follow us on Instagram, we are going to Disney this year. Yay! Sadly, we're not going to Walt Disney World, unfortunately, but we are going to Disneyland Paris.
Paris.
Yes. So we're going in 92 days. So we're in double digits and we're going in October for Halloween.
How exciting.
Yeah, we're so excited because we've only been to Disneyland Paris once and we've never been at Halloween before. And when I've looked into it, they do similar things to what Florida does. They have like a parade and they have a villain show like on the castle stage and stuff. So if you've ever been to Disneyland Paris for Halloween, let us know your tips. Who's the best character to meet for photos? What are the best snacks? They don't have the like Halloween parties as such. They only do 2 a year and we go home before those 2, but all the Halloween stuff will be there, all the parades and everything will be there.
All the seasonal stuff.
We are going for 5 days, 4 nights, so we're going for quite a long time for Disneyland Paris.
And we're staying in the Hotel Santa Fe.
Yeah, so we stayed in Hotel Cheyenne last time and then obviously Santa Fe's just over the road. I think we actually filmed some bits over at Santa Fe. So again, if you've got some advice for us for Santa Fe, be good. And this time we're going with a really large group of people. We're actually going with my whole entire family and there's going to be 14 of us in total, which sounds scary to say, but that's going to be interesting because we've been, I think the most, 6 of us is the most we've done before. So yeah. 14 is going to be very interesting and all ages. We've got like a tiny baby going and kind of lots of different ages, so it's going to be interesting. It's
going to take a lot of planning, but it'll be okay. We'll make it work.
I'm so excited for it. So yeah, we're in double digits. We haven't got long to go.
No.
As I said, if you've got any Halloween Disneyland Paris advice, then please throw it at us because it's all new to us.
So we've got the dining plan included because we're staying on property. And we've gone for the basic ones. We get 2 meals a day. That can be breakfast and lunch, or breakfast and dinner, or you know, lunch and dinner. And I think this time, obviously we're going to eat in Casey's because Casey's is just one of the ones that they share with Florida, so it's definitely pretty cool to go to. But I'm not really sure where we're going to eat this time. I mean, in terms of sit-down meals, we've got a few ideas that we'd like to do. I think we'd like to go back to Remy's, Chez Remy. And I think we'd like to do Captain Jack's, which is obviously
we did them last time, but they're just so cool. The theming is so good in both of them.
Yeah, they're both pretty awesome. And I really enjoyed the food I had at Remy's last time.
Yeah.
The steak was amazing.
It was really nice.
But yeah, in terms of the actual kind of like the actual fast food places, I'm not really sure. I think I want to eat in one of the all-you-can-eat restaurants this time.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. If you've been to a buffet-style restaurant in Paris, preferably one in the park rather than in a hotel or in Disney Village, let us know because we really want to try one. I think we'll probably just do the one.
Yeah.
Not for breakfast, for like lunch or for dinner.
I think is one called Agrabah's.
Yeah,
I think that's the one I want to try.
But give us your advice because we've never done one and you should because it's like you get more for your money if you do it that way. And when we went last time, it was our first time, so we just wanted to like eat and quickly zoom around. But we've been before, and because we're going with quite a large group of people and a few of them are going to be small children, we will be doing things like that because it gives everyone a chance to just chill for a bit. So advice on that as well would be greatly appreciated.
We are really excited though because obviously you're going to get to go back on Space Mountain with the Star Wars stuff.
Yeah.
And obviously that's an awesome ride. Crusher's Coaster I'm really excited for. Oh, the Ratatouille ride. Oh my god, that thing is amazing.
And obviously we'll be vlogging it again as well.
Of course.
So you'll have some more Disney vlogs to look forward to later on in the year. So it's quite a few weeks away, but that is to come as well.
So yeah, super exciting. Going back to Paris. Yay!
So this is the thing that we wanted to show you. So we're currently in our games room. I'm sitting on the sofa bed. And eventually, I say eventually, in the next week or two, we're getting a big TV unit with our big flat screen TV on the wall, which will be for like the PlayStation 4, the Nintendo Switch, all of the newer games consoles we have. And then we've got this beefy TV. Let me show you how deep it is. Like, that's how deep it goes back to the wall. You can't really tell, but it literally, it's one of those really wide old school TVs.
We actually got it from Charlotte's next door neighbour. He's had it since he bought it new. Obviously, you know, back in like the 90s or whatever, and or 2000s. I bought it off him for £5.
Bargain. And basically we wanted it because Jez says, I don't really know about this kind of stuff, but Jez says the old style consoles, so we've got like a GameCube and a PS1, look better.
We've got a Master System.
Yeah, a Master System.
The screen looks, the actual picture looks way nicer on these old school TVs, because the newer sort of plasma, the LCDs and that, they stretch it with the OLED stuff. And it doesn't look so nice, it looks more, it looks pixelated anyway, but they're designed for these. And also, it's just more retro nostalgia, isn't it? But yeah, the games room is going to get done, and I think we'll probably do a games room tour when it's finished.
Yeah, there's going to be so much stuff in here.
So yeah, here we go, we're going to turn it on.
This is going to bring back some memories. Oh no, that blue line across the middle of the TV is not there in real life. I don't know why the camera's picking it up.
It's because these old school, it starts off a bit dodgy, but the old TVs, they kind of settle.
It looks fine in real life. This has like got a big blue line across the screen.
Isn't that bad?
But yeah, so we've got this little setup here for our retro consoles, which we're excited about. Open up the little drawer and we can show them what games
this is
we've
just
got.
for now.
Because this will bring back some memories.
So we've got Blazing Dragons, Disney's Tarzan, Legacy of Kain, Tomb Raider Driver, Walt Disney World Quest, Magical Racing Tour.
That is a great game.
Dance UK, Space Jam, Rugrats Studio Tour, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, The Mummy, Jungle Book, Disney's Goofy Funhouse, Disney's Aladdin, Naziria's Revenge, E.T., Disney's Atlantis Lost Empire, Pixar Monsters Inc. Scare Island, that was a good game.
I never actually played it.
Crash Team Racing.
I was scared anyway.
Croc, Spyro, Bugs Life, and then I've got a load of randoms in here as well. And the game we're currently playing now, I don't have the case for, but this game was mine when I was a kid. Spider-Man. But listen to this.
Yeah, so we just thought we'd show you this little setup.
Is the blue line still there?
Yeah, it's really annoying. So we'll show you this little setup because it's quite cool. As Jess said, we'll obviously show you progress when we slowly work. Oh my god, that's loud. When we slowly work on the games room. But for now, this is about all we have in here, isn't it?
Yeah, we've not really.
I think we're gonna get some bean bags. So
yeah,
you can sit on the floor.
Bean bags and stuff in here, but it's all gonna happen. It's all gonna show. I just want to show them this. How cool is this? Ready?
You literally can't really see it very well on this camera. Look at those graphics. It's so high quality.
How cool is that? I'm not really fighting them, I'm just messing around. What colour do you bleed? Imagine if they put that in a kid's game nowadays. That's mental. 16 seconds. Wow. Boom.
So yeah, that's what we wanted to show you. It's been quite short and sweet this evening. Hey Jez. Quite short and sweet. But yeah, we just wanted to let you know we're going to Disneyland Paris. It's happening in a few months, in October. We're literally going the week before Halloween, so it's going to be super festive.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited for it. I'm hoping, because obviously, as you were saying, obviously now we've moved into our own place, I'm hoping to be able to go in and buy like some really cool
We've got so much stuff.
We've got so much Disney homeware already, but it would be really cool to get some more.
Anyway, so thank you very much for watching again, and
Peace
we
out.
will see you next week.
See you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye.